Okay, again, today we are working through the volume of a rectangular prism and a triangular prism. If it is a rectangular prism, this would be the formula you would use. You look at your shape. Here you would write V equals length times width times height, and then you plug in your numbers. V equals your length is the 11, your width right here is the 5, your height is the 4, and then 11 times 5 is 55, 55 times 4 is 220. So your final answer, I'll just write over here, is capital B equals 220. And then make sure your label is cubed, so cubic inches. All right, so that's how you would do for a rectangular prism. That's the easier one. The triangular prism is a little more work. What I've been trying to say is the line that connects the two triangles, just ignore that one for a second and focus on your triangle. We want to use this formula, V equals capital B times H. But the B, the capital B, is standing for the area of that triangle. So we're going to want to use this formula here, 1/2 base times height, because that gives us the area of this triangle. So let's first figure that out. So capital B equals 1/2 base times height. Capital B equals the 1/2. The base we could say is 7. The height we could say is 3. I know 3 times 7 is 21 times 1/2 would be 10.5. So that is our B. Now we want to use the formula for volume. So volume equals capital B times the H. Some students even did this. They said, okay, I'm going to ignore the 7 and the 3, and I'm going to write in here that this area, or the base, is 10.5. Now you want to use whatever the line is that's connecting from the two triangles. That's going to be used as your height. So volume equals, says B is 10.5 times the height. The height, not of the triangle, but the height is connecting one triangle to the next triangle, and then that's 6. And what is 10.5 times 6? What did you guys get for that? And that, yep.
63.
Good, so it'd be capital V, 63 cubic yards.